Greeting to my lecturer, my partners, and those viewers who have watched this video. My name is Lai Ji Wei, matric number 278209. Currently studying Bachelor in International Business Management in University Utara, Malaysia, and my hometown is Taipei, Perak. The main purpose of creating this video is to share with me and my partners some of the most unforgettable things. On the first day of work, I went to the store with anticipation and anxiety. Anticipation is because I can get closer to the things I love, technology. I was nervous because I was unfamiliar with what I was about to face. When I arrived at the store, the manager asked me to change into their store uniform and name tag, which is training. He asked me to remember all the product information and features in the store in a week to let me qualify the test and turn me from trainee to retail assistant. The task of trainee is to do all the miscellaneous things such as sweep floor, clean food, and I pass it. I feel very happy because I can serve customer and sell device independently. It might also be a challenge for me. I work hard and face many challenges in that few months. Then I resigned the jobs because I need to continue my study in Form 6. For my first full-time jobs, I gained a lot of knowledge that can't learn in book, and I practice it in real life. I know to understand what customer needed, patient, and also more closer to technology. So, in the conclusion, everyone has their own life event, and all also then teach us something to gain and loss. Different people will have different experiences and changes. No one can really personally experience the changes brought by life event. I also become eloquent from a person who could not speak fluently and learn to listen to and treat anyone with patience. I also deeply understood the hard work of service industry and migrant workers. Let me cherish every minute and second in the school and strive to improve themselves. Thanks. Then will be my partners to share his opinion and experience. Thank you.
A warm welcome everyone. My name is Shivanis Analalaki M. Irajan. My matrix number is 272878. I would like to share one of my first life event experience at College Matriculasi Perak, in short form KMPK, on the year of my studies 2018-2019. The event was organized under the Club Pemimpin Rakan Dinamik PRD, and I am one of the club member by the students batch 2018-2019. The title for our event was KMPK's Got Talent. The theme for our event was If You Got a Talent, Show It. By joining the event, I gained a lot of experience because this was my first time participating in event management by joining the crew under one of the committee member of multimedia. As a multimedia member, my first task was to create a poster that made me so excited to complete the assignment that given to me so that I could learn new skills by creating the event poster using the Canva application. The Canva application was recommended by my club members because the application will help beginners to learn quickly. Besides that, the event also increases my confidence level for example, stand in front of a lot of students to announce about the event details. For example, like changing the time, the event place, and etc. For the first time, I felt nervous to give a short speech because I'm not familiar with this kind of speech before. But after some time, I feel comfortable and normal. Furthermore, I could able to understand how to manage or deal sudden technical problems by preparing backup plan, because normally we have to prepare this kind of backup plan because we might don't know what other complication or problems we might appear or incur on the event times. So the backup plan to control and handle the flow of the event to avoid any kind of disruption. We also had some rehearsal for our betterment of the flow of our event. Finally, the main part was I had a chance for having new bonding and good relationship with the team members. The crew and participants are so helping and supporting to each other without any race differences. At the free times, we all also discuss and share our own skills and experience regarding the event. They are so helpful and they helpful to gain us some informations and general knowledge of the event, and besides other than the event also we might gain additional information like how to use Photoshop, because we use Canva for our to do our event poster, but there are some members also are expert in using Photoshop, and there are some members also teaches us to how to do the video, like how to do editing, cutting, and how to put background songs. So they are so helpful and help us to how to do this thing, do that thing. They are so, if we don't know also, they are ready to teach us. So they are no without any races difference lah. By the end of the event, I personally get to know various type of talent from the participant that made myself amazed and gave an idea or encourage to be brave to show our talent without any shyness, because shyness are the like blockers to achieve some achievement of our talent. So because when the event time, the participants are full of energetic, and each participant have their own talent. For example, like they can sing, group dance, and like solo performance like using the musical keyboards, and some are doing the mimicry, for example, then etc. A lot of performers. So they are all like encouraging the other students who are not involved in the program to show at least anything. For example, I personally also thought that I could share enough of my talents. For example, like I can sing quite well, and the dance also I can dance as a group dancer because I have a past experience. So they are like remembering of my or others past talents, and they are like giving an injection to that, like a kickstart to start a new one. So they all are so encouragement. So I hope that's all from me. Thank you for your patience listening.